Hey, what's up guys, my name is Kashito and welcome back to another episode of the Unbox with Kashito. And for this Unbox with Kashito, not this one because I already finished that, go check it out, link in the description down below. And instead with this box right here, okay, an actual box now. So let's rip this off. What the heck is this? Oh, another box. Oh, it's an actual box rather. Okay, let's unbox it. Oh, it's finally here. Yeah. Yes, that's right. It was from the Skibidi toilet. I really wanted for this one for cosplay for a long time. Damn! This cost me 1,060 pesos. Okay, let's try this bad boy, yeah. Oh shit. It's too small for me. It's not that quite big. Yeah, it's too small for me. It was cool, but it's too small. Cannot fit in my head. Well, crap. Wait. I have another one. I'm not sure if I can try that one. Hold on for a sec. Let's try with this one. Kind of look okay, this one. Look like a hot turn as well. Alright, final moment. Kind of right. Yeah, kind of okay. So I have to use this one. Sec. Okay. Okay, alright, it fit in my neck. Alright, that's pretty cool. Alright, it fits my neck, okay. So I can do this. Yeah, I can still using this mask right here for the stuff. It's really cool for wearing a mask and then I'm going to wear some suits, you know? So that's really is. I like this one, to be honest. So this will be my next cosplay as well. Besides from the other one too. And I like the design. Although it's expensive as fuck. Yeah, you cannot see me though. So it's good thing that you cannot see me. Alright. That's pretty much it. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please make sure to give this video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe. And I see to you all and a sayonara, arigato. It's pretty cool for this one. I like this one. That's pretty awesome. Pretty sweet, isn't it?